In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into DocuSign with our step-by-step 2025 tutorial. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, we'll want to fire up your preferred web browser. Once your browser is open, navigate to the DocuSign website by typing in the URL u.docusign.com. Once you're on the home page, your next move is to head over to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the login button. Go ahead and click on that button to proceed to the next step. Now that we're on the login page, the first decision you'll need to make is choosing the correct DocuSign product. The most common selection here would be DocuSign eSignature, which is widely used for electronic signatures. However, if your organization has other specific needs and uses products like DocuSign, CLM, Insight, or Notary, then you'll want to make the appropriate selection to ensure you're accessing the correct tool for your tasks. With your DocuSign product chosen, it's time to enter your user credentials. Carefully type in the email address linked to your DocuSign account. Make sure there are no typos because precise email input is crucial to logging in successfully. Following the email, go ahead and input your password into the designated field. With both pieces of information correctly entered, click on the login button to move forward. At this stage, if your account has multi-factor authentication enabled, you'll receive a verification code. The code might be sent to you via email, a text message, or through an authenticator application, depending on your settings. Enter this verification code in the space provided to confirm your identity. This step adds an extra layer of security to keep your account safe from unauthorized access. After successfully logging in and completing the authentication process, you'll find yourself on the DocuSign home dashboard. Here, you have a variety of options to explore. You might want to start a new envelope, which is perfect for sending out new documents for signature. Alternatively, you can check on any pending signatures to see which documents are still waiting for action. You can also review your completed agreements. These are documents that have already been signed and finalized. Lastly, if you frequently use templates, you have easy access to them right from the dashboard. And there you have it. You've now successfully signed into DocuSign and are ready to manage your digital documents with ease. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out more of our tutorials. Thanks for tuning in and have a productive